Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a simple unboxing of the Alienware 720M. I picked up this for my Alienware x16 R1. I like the aesthetic of it and I figured, you know what, let me give it a try. I do have some experience using Alienware mice in the past. I had the one that had the little piece that came out this way and around back here. It was a little more bulky. This one's a little bit more slim and supposedly lighter. So just want to take a little time to unbox it and check it out. So let's go ahead and get that done. It's a little easier when you're not doing it on camera, but I am new to YouTube. Been consuming content for years and years, and now I want to contribute to the community and make content for others. So have to learn how to do some unboxings. So here's the presentation. Nice presentation. It actually looks really nice. I like the way it looks. See how it feels. Wow, it's really light, especially compared to the old one. So here it is. Fits really well. Really like the way that feels sitting in the hand. It's like perfect. So here we go. And I'll set this to the side and see what's in this little packet here. Okay, here's the, what is this? Okay, don't really know what that is. I guess I'll find out in a second. Maybe it's like a little USB adapter piece. I don't know. Here's the power cord. USB-C, USB-A. And that's all that's in the box. Let's set that to the side. Check out the pamphlet. See what's in here. Stuff I'll probably never read. So we'll just go ahead and file that away. And let's see if I'm right. Probably a little USB attachment piece in here. Yep. So the nice thing about this one is it connects magnetically. So should make it a little bit easier to connect and disconnect. So this little piece here is the, how many pins is that? 5 pins? I don't know if you guys can see that on camera or not. Is that in focus? I think so. So 5 pins, and you plug this into the mouse. So let's take off our plastic. Okay. All right. And there we go. By the way, I'm recording on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So I really love this phone. And I think the camera quality is really good too. So here we go. So it just sits in there like that. And then this piece here, let's pull the plastic off. See if we can get that to focus. Not sure if you can see that or not, but this is a 2 USB-C ports, and then on the back it's got the connector here. So this would come in contact with that part like that. So really easy. And then just plug the cord in here. There's actually 2, so that's pretty cool. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. It does have some new actuation in the buttons here. And I can actually pull that up on Alienware's website to show you a little bit more about that. So let's go to, should be in accessories, keyboard and mice. So the 610M is what I used to own. I had it in their Lunar Light, so it would be this one. And this one is the tri-mode, I believe. And this is what I was talking about with the actuation. So let me zoom in just a little bit here so you can see where they have the opposing magnets instead of a spring. And then this is the little part that gives you the clicking kind of sound. It sounds like this. And this shows the magnetic attachment piece on the side here. So I did pick this up because I wanted to have a nice complete solution to be able to take my laptop when I'm out on business. I have my mouse, I've got my controller, and I think it's going to be a nice new addition. So quick video for you guys. I do appreciate you stopping by. Remember, I'm trying to grow the channel. All likes count. Your comments are really helpful. It helps give me ideas for my next videos, and a subscription would be greatly appreciated. At this point, I'm just slightly over 130 subscribers. My new goal is going to be 150, and I appreciate everyone who takes the time to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll do my best to respond to your comments and so forth. So appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you stop by again, and have a great rest of your day.